Good day, everyone. I'm Ralph Benedict Barrameda, and today I will present to you my Design 9 Capstone project, a proposed Legazpi City Cultural and Convention Center, boosting Legazpi City's tourism through biomorphic architecture. We will discuss and divide the study into four major parts. First is the overview of the proposed project. The proposed project is a convention center that can accommodate large and different kinds of events with a separate theater building for cultural activities. Legazpi City is now recovering from the effects of the pandemic, and this project can help Legazpi City boost its tourism and economy. Legazpi City lacks an events place that can accommodate large international and local conventions, expositions, events, etc. Also, existing convention halls in the area are not flexible enough to cater to different kinds of events. The goal of this project is to help Legazpi City in terms of their economy and tourism, and also to help local businesses and people in terms of providing a facility where organizations, entrepreneurs, and other foreign and local people of the city can gather for business purposes. The project also aims to provide a facility where the local people of Legazpi City can showcase their products, services, and talents. The client of this proposed project will be the local government unit of Legazpi City. The study will be limited to how architectural design is put into consideration and practiced. The project will cater to domestic and foreign visitors, tourists, as well as people of Legazpi City and its nearby municipalities and cities within the province of Albay, Bicol region, with the purpose of going to MICE and cultural events. Second part will be the site justification. The proposed site will be situated at Alternate Road, Barangay Poblacion, Legazpi City, Albay. The site's area is 26,136 square meters or 2.61 hectares. The site is near the PhilHealth office, SM Legazpi, and two other malls. The site's land use classification is commercial, but it is possible and allowed to be reclassified and rezoned. The site is suitable for the project because the size of the lot is enough for a project like a convention center. The lot is also near a transport terminal that will give ease of access to the proposed project. Also, the site is a highly urbanized area where possible users of the project will come from. This site also has a nice view towards the north where you can see the famous Mayon volcano. The site is surrounded by commercial and institutional facilities such as schools, malls, and other government and business-related facilities. Next is the macro-meso analysis. The site is located in Region 5 and is also known as Bicol Region. Bicol Region is situated at the southernmost point of Luzon. One of the provinces of the Bicol Region is Albay. There are 3 cities and 15 municipalities in Albay, and Legazpi City serves as the capital of the province. The symbol of Albay is the Mayon volcano, an almost perfectly shaped active volcano. Next is the city of Legazpi. Legazpi City serves as the regional hub of the Bicol region due to its prominent location in the geographic center of the region and its extensive land, air, and sea transportation facilities. Legazpi is also the most practical entry point to Bicol. There are 3 possible ways to get to Legazpi City from Manila and other locations. Either by land, sea, or air travel. The fastest and most easiest way to Legazpi City is via air. The Bicol International Airport is just 20 minutes away from Legazpi City. Next is by land. Using a public bus or private vehicle, it will take 10 to 14 hours to get to Legazpi from Manila. About 469 kilometers separate Legazpi City from Manila. The final means of transportation to Legazpi City is by sea. This option is typically chosen by visitors and tourists traveling from other provinces and cities like Cebu. Ships travel through Masbate on their way to Legazpi City. One of the hazards in Legazpi City is typhoons. Bicol region is facing the Pacific Ocean where most of the typhoons come from. Legazpi City is also subject to flooding, but the chosen site is situated in an area where there are no cases of flooding. Storm surge is one of the hazards and risks in Legazpi City. The site is located in a red zone and is at risk in terms of storm surge. In the case of landslides, the site is far from areas where landslides are susceptible because the site is at a level portion of the city. Lastly, the site is far from any areas that are highly prone to lahar, and because of this, the site is safe from the lahar. Next is the microsite analysis. The site has 26,136 square meters in land area and is facing south and has access to private and public vehicles as well as pedestrians. The site is along a 10-meter major access road. The site is surrounded by different kinds of facilities and establishments such as malls, schools, and government offices. Here is the architectural programming. Based on the National Building Code, the proposed project is included in cultural land use. The total lot area of the proposed site is 26,136 square meters. The maximum allowable percentage of site occupancy is 60% of the total lot area. The maximum allowable impervious surface area is 20%. The minimum allowable unpaved surface area is also 20%. And the total open space within the lot is 40% of the total lot area. Based on the National Building Code, the computed allowable maximum building footprint is 15,681.6 square meters. The maximum allowable percentage of site occupancy or PSO is 15,681.6 square meters. The maximum allowable impervious surface area is 5,227.2 square meters. The maximum allowable construction area is 20,908.8 square meters. The maximum allowable unpaved surface area is 5,227.2. The total open space within the lot is 10,454.4 square meters. For the demand analysis of the project, various data were used. Numbers of domestic and foreign arrivals to Legazpi City with the purpose of MICE are used. And population by age group 15 to 64 years old in Legazpi and other nearby cities and municipalities are also used. Lastly, the number of students that are possible to use the convention center. Next is the initial space programming, which shows the initial space needed per room or area in the proposed project. We do this space programming to have an idea of the flow and movement of users in a space. These are the bubble diagrams and space adjacency matrix. Design translation. The objectives of this project is to provide a cultural and convention center that features a contemporary and sustainable design, a flexible architectural plan approach to accommodate different kinds of events, an architectural plan and design that is fully functional that the users will benefit from, and a plan that will meet the needs of different kinds of events or occasions. Connecting visitors and users to nature is one quality feature of the proposed project. This is possible by adding natural-looking designs to the building. Biomorphic architecture will be the main design concept of the project. Biomorphic architecture is a contemporary architectural design that incorporates the notion of embracing natural shapes and patterns. Also, the project features a modern and minimalist design to give the spaces ease of change and for the users to focus on ongoing events. The convention building will have a nice view towards the north where the Mayon volcano can be seen. Next are the innovations that the proposed project will feature. Glass fiber reinforced concrete. This material can be used as flooring, facade wall design accents, and or countertops. Climate tiles. This material can be used to help collect rainwater and can be stored for future use such as for flushing toilets. Another innovation that will be featured in the proposed project is solar panels. Solar panels are also a good feature for a building because it is a renewable energy source and can help reduce electricity bills. As for architectural character, the project will feature modern architecture that can help with the effectiveness and efficiency of the project. The modern architecture used new methods and technologies in terms of construction and design, especially in materials such as the use of steel, reinforced concrete, and glass. These are the materials that will be used in the proposed project. Heat-strengthened laminated glass, acoustic panels, carpet tiles, fiber cement boards, steel, and ceramic tiles. Audibility, circulation, comfort, durability, flexibility, image, maintenance management, privacy, safety and security, and visibility will be the design considerations of the proposed project. The last part are the building systems, one of which is the natural lighting system. Natural lighting system minimizes the use of artificial lighting and saves energy. Natural light can reduce the demand for inside light, which can be energy efficient and cost effective. Also, natural light improves the aesthetics of the interiors. Solar power systems. Solar power systems are one of the most effective methods to conserve energy. This system uses solar panels that convert solar energy into electricity and can be stored in batteries for future use. Curtain walls. Curtain walls are thin and light and are made of glass and aluminum frames. This will make the natural lighting system work. Natural sunlight can pass through the glass and provide natural light inside the building. Curtain walls are also stylish and modern look. Sun louvers will help regulate natural light inside the buildings and lessen the heat entering the building. Sun changes path all year round, and sun louvers may be beneficial for some time of the year. Rainwater harvesting is collecting rainwater and storing it for later use. Harvesting rainwater is environmentally good because it may be used for a variety of things, including irrigation, flushing, processed water, and with further purification, drinking water. Next are the structural systems. Shell structure will be one of the structural systems of the buildings. The shell structure is a thin curved plate structure that may be used for the roofs of the buildings. Another structural system is the steel framing system. Steel framing systems often refer to a construction method using a skeleton frame of horizontal I-beams and vertical steel columns, arranged in an incredibly rectangular grid to support the building's floors, roof, and walls, which are all connected to the frame. Here are some utility systems for the buildings. One is elevator. The elevator is present in the buildings for two specific reasons. One is to travel equipment and materials up and down floors easily, and another is for PWDs. To consider PWD users, the building or buildings that have multiple floors will have elevators. Next is escalators. Escalators will be beneficial for people who want to travel from floor to floor with ease. Escalators have no waiting interval except during very heavy traffic. Generator set. The generator can save the ongoing events in case of power interruptions. Generators are engines and electrical generator combined to have a single piece of equipment that produces electricity. The generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. For large spaces or areas like the convention center, a centralized air conditioning system is the best option. Central air conditioners circulate cool air using a supply and return duct network. Cooled air from the air conditioner is delivered to the building through supply ducts and registers, which are apertures in the walls, floors, or ceilings that are protected by grills. I appreciate your attention. Again, I am Ralph Benedict Barrameda, 5th year architecture student from Technological Institute of the Philippines, Quezon City.